Facts about Spain. Who was a famous Spanish conquistador who conquered the Aztec Empire? Hernan Cortes. What event marked the end of Muslim rule in Spain? The Reconquista. What traditional dance form originated in Spain, characterized by intricate footwork? Flamenco. What famous artist is known for his Surrealist paintings and was born in Spain? Salvador Dalí. What is the name of the mountain range that separates Spain from France? The Pyrenees. What river is the longest river in Spain? The Tagus River. What ancient civilization is known for its impressive architecture at sites like Segovia and Tarragona? The Romans. What UNESCO World Heritage City in Spain is famous for its unique architecture by Antoni Gaudí? Barcelona. In what Spanish city is the high-speed train AVE network headquartered? Madrid. What Spanish engineer is credited with the invention of the modern submarine? Isaac Peral. What popular Spanish dish consists of saffron-infused rice with various meats and vegetables? Paella. What sweet treat is made of fried dough and typically served with chocolate sauce? Churros. What is the official language of Spain? Spanish Castilian. What autonomous community in Spain has its own co-official language, Catalan? Catalonia. Who was a Spanish artist known for his masterpiece Guernica depicting the horrors of war? Pablo Picasso. Who was the Spanish explorer who led the first expedition to circumnavigate the globe? Ferdinand Magellan.
Click on the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have fun!